Look, man. What y'all know about that chicken, boy? Y'all already know. This is Clarence making the video. First video going on YouTube. Yeah. Some of y'all thought I can't cook, but I'm gonna show y'all I can. Just watch. What you know about that chicken, boy? Yeah. I told you I could cook, bruh. I could cook. I just made some fries a few minutes ago. I'm finna eat with this. Y'all straight. Anyway, that's my favorite food, by the way, so y'all already know. Like I said, don't start none if you don't want none, bro. I started, and I'm finna get some. And I got my drink right here. It'll be good.